Now we have another most dedicated Mr. Jaideep from Ujjivan Finance Bank.
थैंक यू सर।
जयदीप, आवाज आ रही है आप तक?
आ रही है सर।
Yes, Jaideep, introduce yourself.
My name is Jaideep Ashok Dethe. Currently, I am working with Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. I joined Ujjivan as credit officer in 2015, and currently I am working as cluster credit manager. Since last 6 years, I got promoted 3 times. This is my third promotion as cluster credit manager. Currently, I am handling Pune, Sangli, Satara, Kolhapur, Solapur, Jalgaon, Nasik, and Mumbai across locations for affordable housing, home loan credit. Prior to this, about my academic, I did my schooling, higher schooling from Valchanagar itself. I did my graduation from TC College Baramati. I did my post graduation from VIIT Baramati in MBA in marketing. About my family, I have a daughter. My spouse, me, and my daughter, we are living in Dombivli East. My father, mother, they are living in Kolhapur. My younger brother is working in Bank of Maharashtra as head cashier at Kolhapur branch.
Good. Jaideep, as you are working and you have the work experience in credit department, who is not eligible for Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana under home loan section? Who is not eligible for Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana under home loan?
Those customers who have their second property are not eligible in Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. Those customers who have their track record or civil record which is not clear are not eligible for Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. Those customers whose area, property area with respect to EWG, EWS, LIG, MIG1 and MIG2 of 500 square feet, 550 square feet, 2 guntas, yani 2000 square feet and 2500 square feet, if it is not matching that level, then they are not eligible for this Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana.
Suppose you have purchased one flat in Thane of rupees 20 lakh. Are you eligible for Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana?
If I am purchasing flat in Thane for rupees 20 lakh, then I will be eligible for Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana if my civil track is clear, if this is my first property, if I am living in the area of urban area of that defined list.
While doing your MBA, I think after 1 year you must have gone through some type of orientation program of 45 days. While doing, you did your MBA, na?
Yes, sir.
So after 1 year, you have gone through some assignments, some tasks of 45 days. That is called internship program.
Yes, sir.
You did your internship in MBA?
Yes, sir.
From where you did, and what was your the subject of thesis?
About my internship, I did comparative study of loose milk with respect to various dairy industries. I did that project in Schreiber Dynamics Dairies Limited, Baramati, with special reference to Central Maharashtra, covering Aurangabad, Ahmednagar.
I want to establish one dairy farm.
I have established one milk farm, a pouch milk.
I want to listen, Jaideep. I want to establish one dairy farm. Do I need to take clearance from any of the department?
Sir,
I want to establish, I want to set up, I want to run a business of dairy farm. Do I need to take the clearance from any government institution?
Yes.
Start my business?
If I want to establish a dairy firm or dairy company, then I need to take prior permission from National Dairy Development Board, whose
Okay.
head office is in Mumbai and corporate office is in Amul.
Very good. Okay, define the role of Reserve Bank of India in banking sector.
Reserve Bank of India is central bank in India. Reserve Bank of India regulates monetary fund. The Reserve Bank of India regulates the lending rate ratios such as MCLR and BPLR.
Okay, good.
Reserve Bank of India controls the cash reserves of the banks. It defines the SLR ratio and the other ratios provided to the bank and by the bank.
Okay, many times you must have gone through the newspaper or articles of the paper that Reserve Bank of India has taken the action on so and so bank, that is called PCA. What basically PCA action is?
Sir, please repeat. Actually, not audible.
PCA, what is PCA? That is prompt corrective action. The action taken by Reserve Bank of India on different financial institutions.
Is a strict action taken by RBI on different institutions if the regulatory or compliance is not acted upon by the banks. The rules and regulations formulated by RBI should be followed by the banks, and RBI checks this with regular audits, and they have a control on every bank. Recently, HDFC had to face this one regarding their online activities, and ultimately they have to stop their operations.
See, whenever bad loans, whenever NPA become bad loans, I think you are knowing standard, substandard, doubtful, and bad loan assets, right? So what is basically write-off? Why banks write off the accounts? Jadid, do you have a earphone or a headphone?
Yes, sir.
Can't you use now?
This is audible. I understand your question. I'm just thinking.
Yes, please.
I'm trying to recollect it. I know this.
Why bank write off the bad loans? Because this is near about similar from
bad loan. Bad loan is ultimately a non-performing asset, and it is adjusted in inventory of balance sheet of a bank.
Then what about provisioning? Why bank provision? What is provisioning in banking?
I know the reason, sir, but I am just recollecting that. I'm not recollecting that, sir. I know the reason. Exact reason is known to me. They are adjusting in inventory books of the balance sheet.
Okay.
The reason is also known to me, but I am not recollecting this.
As you did your MBA, so while doing MBA, there are many other courses which is available. That is professional course like MBA and Triple M. So why don't you prefer Triple M degree?
Basically, after graduation, I want to do a professional course. That time, at our graduation level, we have a phobia about MBA,
Hmm.
and I also come across the knowledge that MBA is a professional degree wherein I can achieve my goals.
Okay, good.
So I had taken this course and not opted it triple M because I was unknown about triple M that time when I was doing my graduation in
What's the
Baramati.
punchline of your bank? What's the punchline of your bank? What is the tagline of Ujjivan?
Build a better life.
Build a better life. Okay, fine,
Ujjivan Small Finance tagline is build a better life.
fine. Okay. जदीप आपके इस मॉक को ओवरऑल गुड, ओवरऑल इम्प्रूवमेंट मुझे दिखा है। अगर मेरे से आप पूछें कि सर आउट ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट मुझे दिख रहा है, फर्स्ट डे आई हैड गिवन यू 3 मार्क्स आउट ऑफ 10, टुडे आई एम गिविंग यू 5 मार्क्स। तो थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे आपको इम्प्रूवमेंट करना पड़ेगा। कर तो रहे हैं, नो डाउट, काम तो आप बहुत कर रहे हैं। इसमें मुझे दिख रहा है कि आप वर्क कर रहे हैं। द गिवन द क्वेश्चन जो भी मैंने आपको दिया है, जो भी असाइनमेंट में देता हूँ डेली बेसिस पे, उस पे आप काम तो कर रहे हैं, लेकिन थोड़ा सा आपके आंसर में वो बदलाव दिखना चाहिए। देखिए आपको मालूम है, चीजें आपको मालूम है, लेकिन उसको कहते हैं प्रेजेंटेबल तरीके से हमको प्रेजेंट करना है। हमें सब चीज मालूम है, मुझे पूरी बैंकिंग मालूम है, लेकिन पता चला कि मेरे से पूछा गया कि फंक्शन ऑफ नाबार्ड, और वहां पे अगर मैं सोचने लगा तो फिर ये एक्सपेक्टेड सीबीओ के लिए नहीं है। देखिए आप एक एंट्री लेवल जॉब के लिए नहीं जा रहे हैं, हम प्रोबेशनरी ऑफिसर के लिए नहीं जा रहे हैं, हम क्लर्की के लिए नहीं जा रहे हैं, हम 3 साल के एक्सपीरियंस मिनिमम लेके बैंक में जा रहे हैं। तो हमसे ये एक्सपेक्टेशन है कि क्वेश्चन पूछा गया उसका आंसर देना है, सही मैनर में देना है। तो जदीप इंप्रूवमेंट है, वेल इंप्रूवमेंट। आपकी इंटरव्यू संभवतः ऑन 13 की है ना, 13 तारीख को ही है, 14 तारीख को है, मीन्स 13 सैटरडे हमारे पास है। तो सैटरडे आई विल बी गिविंग यू स्पेशल डिफरेंट टाइम, जिसमें आप हर एक डाउट मेरे से पूछ सकते हो, व्हाटसोएवर यू हैव, चाहे वो आपकी बैंकिंग से हो, रिटेल बैंकिंग से हो, क्रेडिट मैनेजमेंट से हो, रिकवरी से हो, जनरल टॉपिक हो, पॉलिटिक्स हो, ज्योग्राफी हो, एनी डाउट यू कैन क्लियर फ्रॉम मी। मैं ये गारंटी तो नहीं देता हूँ कि उस चीजों का आंसर मुझे मालूम होगा, लेकिन संभवतः 99% वो चीजें हैं जो मैं संभवतः आपको सही ढंग से गाइडेंस कर पाऊंगा। ठीक है, कल भी हमारी सेशन है, टुमारो वी डोंट हैव एनी मॉक सेशन, क्लियर। हमारे पास जो कल सेशन है वो हमने जो 100 क्वेश्चन आपको विद आंसर दिया है इंटरव्यू के लिए, आपके ग्रुप पे जो पोस्ट किया है, उसमें से हमारे पास सेशन है, क्योंकि वो मोस्ट कॉमन आस्क्ड क्वेश्चन आपके इंटरव्यू के लिए है, एक्सपीरियंस इंटरव्यू के लिए है। तो हमारी जो डिस्कशन कल की होने वाली है वो डिस्कशन होने वाली है, डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशन होने वाला है। सैटरडे वी आर हैविंग डिस्कशन आल्सो एज वेल एज मॉक आल्सो। तो दो टाइम में हम करेंगे, सैटरडे संडे जितना यूटिलाइजेशन हम कर सकते हैं वो हम करेंगे।